Hello students, today we have to see determination of energy of activation at two different temperature by using Arrhenius equation. We have to use Arrhenius equation. Okay, now from that Arrhenius equation, mathematically how energy of activation is to be determined, that we have to see. Now for this you must know the Arrhenius equation. You know Arrhenius equation. Previously we come to know it will be K equals to A into e raised to power minus EA upon RT. After taking log and all this thing, you come to know that log of K is equals to minus EA upon 2.303 RT plus log A. Okay. Now this is Arrhenius equation. Are you getting clear? Now if the reaction is carried out at two different temperatures, let me assume the reaction is carried out at temperature T1 and T2. First of all, we know that Arrhenius equation is log K is equals to minus EA upon 2.303 RT plus log A, where A is frequency factor, A is the energy of activation, R is gas constant, T is temperature. Okay. Now suppose initially temperature is T1, means at temperature T1, how this equation becomes? क्या हो जाएगा ये इक्वेशन? Log K1 is equals to minus EA upon 2.303 R. Here it becomes T1 plus log A. It is equation 1. Now at temperature T2, how this equation becomes? It will be log of K2 is equals to minus EA upon 2.303 RT2 plus log A. It is equation 2. Now 2 minus 1, log K2 minus log K1, log K2 minus log K1, that is equals to log K2 means minus EA upon 2.303 RT2 minus this means it becomes plus EA 2.303 RT1. Are you getting clear? ये स्टेप समझ में आई? log K2 minus log K1 means this minus this, minus minus becomes plus. Log A minus log A becomes 0. Now here it becomes log K2 minus log K1. Now here EA upon 2.303 R common. That's why remainder becomes 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. Okay, समझ में आया? ये minus 1 upon T2. If we solve further, log m minus log n, it will be log of m minus n. That's why log K2 upon log K1, that is equals to EA upon 2.303 R into, it will be what it becomes, कैसा हो जाएगा? हाँ, how it becomes later on, it becomes in a such a way 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. Now cross multiplication, EA upon 2.303 R 1 multiplied by T2, T2, 1 multiplied by T1, T1, that is T1, T2, that is equals to log of K2 upon K1. Means in this equation, if suppose you know K1, K2, T1, T2, R is gas constant 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole, means except EA, if you know K1 and K2, T1, T2 and R, then you are able to find out the value of energy of activation. Getting it? That's why this equation is known as determination of energy of activation from Arrhenius equation, because we get this from Arrhenius equation. Initially you know K equals to A into e raised to power minus E upon RT. Further solving it, you get final Arrhenius equation log K equals to minus A upon RT plus log A. But the same reaction is carried out at two different temperature. First of all, temperature is T1, then equation becomes this way, equation 1. If the temperature becomes T2, then equation becomes in this way. Now 2 minus 1, you will get this equation. You know log n minus log n upon n, that's why log K2 upon K1. Here, take EA upon 2.303 are common, you will get this. After cross multiplication, you will get this, and this is the temperature dependent equation, from which if you know the temperature T1, T2, rate constant K1, K2, then R is fixed 8.314 joules, you are able to find out this EA. This is determination of energy of activation from Arrhenius equation at two different temperatures. Here our this very important unit, that is chemical kinetics, is now over. If any difficulty regarding chemical kinetics, ask me anytime or put on my personal WhatsApp number और कॉल मी एनी टाइम. ओके, इसके बाद में अपना अभी शेड्यूल चेंज होगा. अभी अपना सेकंड सेमेस्टर में ये फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री का चैप्टर ख़त्म हुआ. अभी ऑर्गेनिक और इनऑर्गेनिक का भी एक एक यूनिट दूसरे टीचर लेंगे. ओके, टिल देन बाय. थैंक यू वेरी मच.